Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. Spellbinders March 2022 club kits are now available, and I do have links provided in the description box if you are interested in subscribing. I received 3 of the kits. I have the card kit, the large die of the month, and also the embossing folder. So here's a look at the large die of the month, and this is a slimline size die set. The name of the set is Kaleidoscope Floral Slimline. So there's the really large die. There are 3 individual floral dies, and then there's also one die with another flower style and one with several different leaves. You can see this large flower fits inside the 3 openings on the larger die. The 3 large flowers also layer together for that kaleidoscope look. Next is the embossing folder of the month, and it's called Garden Path. I don't actually have it in hand yet, but I did a print off so you can see what it looks like. Another beautiful floral design, and I love the really large size. So you could use this for an A2 size, slimline, 5x7, so many different options. Next is the card kit of the month. The theme is Have a Springy Day. There's the information card that has the contents of the kit and a few card samples, and then on the back side there is a tutorial how to assemble one of those cards. There are 9 sheets of cardstock. These are all 8.5 by 11 inches in size. 2 lovely shades of pink. There's a light purple, a bright yellow, there's a green, light blue, there's white, black, the gold mirror cardstock, and I'll just put that underneath the black so I don't blind you. As always, there's the 6x6 paper pad. These are all single-sided, and there are a total of 20 sheets, and you'll have 2 of each design. And I like on this paper pad how they put the 2 similar patterns together, where it's usually the first 20 designs and then the second 20. Lots of beautiful colors. That pink wood grain is one of my favorites. There are several patterns that do have a gold foil finish, which is always lovely. Some pretty stripes. I always enjoy their floral designs. This sheet does have that gold foil finish. Hard to see in the video. This one does as well, just a light sprinkling in the background. Here's another beautiful floral. There's some gingham, cloud, sunshine, very cheerful yellow. Just a fun geometric pattern. So as always, a very good variety of different styles. There's the pack of coordinating die cut pieces. And at the end of the unboxing, I'll have all of these spread out so you can see everything that's included. There's a sheet of glitter foam stickers, mostly sentiments, but also lots of hearts and a couple of arrows. We have the 2 sheets of chipboard stickers, and some of these pieces also have that gold foil finish. The stamp set this month has a sweet little lamb and lots of sentiments. We have Hey Baby, Grow with the Flow, May Every Day Bring a New Adventure, Love Lives in the Little Things, It's a Good Day to Have a Great Day, Hope This Makes You Smile, You're Really Amazing and Cute and Funny Too, There's a Hello Darling, I Hope Today is Filled with Sunshine and Smiles, that's my favorite, I Love You and Life is Cool and So Are You. We have the bag of yellow sequins, and they do have a really pretty iridescent finish on them. As always, there's the double-sided tape and the foam squares. There are also 10 A2 size card bases and 10 A2 size envelopes. And I like the card bases since they have a lovely texture. So even if you don't use them as card bases, they work great for the backgrounds of your cards. Here's the die set. You'll receive a total of 7 dies this month. These are so fun, and you can create a lamb and a little bunny. So there's the face, some of the ears, there's the fluff for the lamb's head. There is the sentiment hello. There's some more ears, a little bow, and also a flower. So that's everything that's included in the card kit of the month for March 2022. And here's a look at all of the die cut pieces. There are 2 of each. I just stacked those up together. Lots of beautiful florals, and the colors are very cheerful and springy. Now here's another look at some of Spellbinders March 2022 club kits. If you are interested in subscribing, I do have links provided in the description box below. In order to receive the kit that I showed in this video, you do need to subscribe by March 24th. And coming soon, I will be sharing my card video using the large die of the month, the embossing folder of the month, and the card kit of the month. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.